Good morning, everyone. My name is Sunana Bhatia, and I think you all are doing well. Today, I am going to tell you important questions of MAG5 of MA English course that you can prepare to clear the exam in your first attempt. On the left side, you can see the date sheet for June 2020 exams. In my next videos, I will tell you the important questions of other programs as well, that is MEG 7, 8 and 10. But firstly, we will start with MEG 5. This subject or program name is Literary Criticism and Theory. First question, you have to do it compulsorily. It can be a short note, but sometimes it has been seen that a short note can be the last question as well. Next question that can come in the exam is, what role do spontaneity, emotion and personality have in Wordsworth's theory of poetry? Explain. Next, bring out the salient features of Plato's attack on poetry. Discuss the six elements of tragedy according to Aristotle and explain any two of them with suitable examples. There are some more questions that can come in the exam, and you can prepare for that. Critically examine the role of ideology in literary production following the Marxist critical theory. Next is, in what sense is literature a form of propaganda? Literary theory has taught us a greater awareness of the linguistic dimension test. Explain. Next question, what are the major concerns of post-colonial theory? Write short note of any of the two following. I have already told you that question 1 can be a short note, or last question can be a short note. These are important that you can prepare notes on. Jouissance on the sublime, objective, qualitative, linguistic sign. These are some questions which I have found in old question papers. June 2019 paper, explain how Aristotle argues in favor of drama as a larger and higher form of art. Give the account of Sphota theory as explained by Sanskrit theoreticians. Critically examine Wordsworth's view that all good poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Next question, what according to John Grove Ransom is the role of the literary critic in the modern world? Explain. Attempt a short essay on the relationship between literature and ideology. From the tyranny of man, the greater number of female follies proceed. In the light of this statement, evaluate Mary Wollstonecraft's thoughts on women. How does Roland Barthes differentiate a work from a text? Explain. What are the Foucault's view on discourse and power? Explain. Some more short notes are Mikhail Bakhtin, Deconstruction, Resistance to Theory, Rasa. Next question is, bring out the features of new criticism. So, I believe that all these questions will help you in clearing your exams. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.